Yeah, hello viewers. It's a good day to you all. First of all, you all are welcome to my YouTube channel. And if it is your first time of visiting the channel, then I request that you click that word written in red, subscribe to the channel. The reason for you doing that is so anytime I release a new video online, you will be the first to get notification. So without wasting much time, let me go straight to the reason of why I'm dropping this video. Yes, it's about Pi network, and you are seeing it already on the screen of this monitor or the screen of this phone. The Pi network is the new digital cryptocurrency that is trending online, that is having up to more than 35 million people that have already signed up into it. So you are not late. You can begin your own journey into crypto world. There are other different cryptocurrencies that people are currently mining, but the boss of them is the Pi network. Yes, I know we have the Star network, we have the Remitano, then we have even the Remind and the rest of them. But this video is about the Pi network. So the video will just guide you on how to do the registration, how to sign up into the Pi app in order for you to continue mining daily. So you watch as I'm going to give you all the necessary guide. Now, first, in different social media groups, like for example the Facebook, the WhatsApp, or some will even send it for you individually. You will see a message of this kind saying, I am sending you one Pi. Pi is a new digital currency developed by Stanford PhDs with over 35 million members worldwide. To claim your Pi, follow this link. Look at the link that is being given to you here and use my username OVETA. Did you see it as your invitation code? Now, the person that sent for you, you use his own username in order for you to sign up. Now, don't forget that this, my own, is OVETA. But as you are watching this, please, the one that have sent you his own link, then you sign up, not using OVETA, but rather using his own username. So now you watch as we begin to do the process of the signing up. First, after this has been sent to you, then you are to click it. It will take you to Play Store and then you download the app. But mind you, you can also send the app into your own phone through someone else's phone. That will save you the data of you entering the Play Store to do the downloading. But if you don't have someone close by that will send the app for you, then you click on the link that is being sent to you. It will take you to Play Store. Then you download the app and then you go straight forward to do the sign up. So now you watch as I'm going to do the sign up process. I've already downloaded the app, so you watch. Now here is the app called the Pi network. Look at it. This is Pi, and after you have downloaded that, you also download what we call Pi browser in order for you to do the normal things that is needed in there, so that once you are done with the mining, when you open the KYC, which means know your customer, then you now create your own wallet, and then after you now transfer all the Pi coins that you have mined into your own mainnet account. That is if you have already successfully passed the KYC. But as I earlier said, this video is about the sign up procedure. So you click on the Pi, so now I click on the Pi. So now you see it has opened. Now you can sign up using either your phone number or you use Facebook. So anyone is accepted, either with Facebook or you use your phone number. but for this video I'm going to use a phone number to sign up. So I click on the phone number place, then you see it takes me to this place. Now look at, if you observe here, there is +1, and that is because this is United States. So what you will do is to click on this place, then you now change your own country. The country code will now appear here, then you now put the phone number. So here you click. Once you click, then you can see that there are different countries. So, and me that I'm explaining this video is from Nigeria, so I'm choosing Nigeria here, and then you see the country code is +234, so it will show there. So you see it has changed to from +1 to +234. So then you now put the phone number. So you see the phone number, I've just pasted it, then you click on go. Once you click on go, then you now continue. Then you wait, it's going to open. Now it has already been opened. The next thing that you have to do is look at this place. They said you are to put password and then you verify. So the password that you are going to put will be the same up here and then down here. Yes, the reason why they ask you for this is because some will type password and maybe they want to type 1 and then they mistakenly type 2 without taking note of it, and then after they finish creating their own account, when they come to claim it back, that mistake will enable them not to be able to do that. So that is why they ask you to do this simple thing. So when you put it up, if there's any mistake that you make, it the app will indicate it for you. But mind you, they say the password must be 8 or more characters with at least 1 digit, 1 uppercase and 1 lowercase. So this uppercase means capital letters, and then the lowercase means small letters of the alphabet. So you are to write the password not to be less than 8, but you can write it even 100, the app will accept it, but less than 8 it will not. And when you write only numbers, it's also not going to accept it, because you have to include it with capital letters and then the small letters. So now I'm going to put the password, and here you see the suggestion they are saying you should make sure that you put a very strong password. So just strong password. So now let me put. Now I'm done with the password stage. The next I'm going to click on submit. Now when you click on submit, then you wait as the app is going to process it. Now as it is processing like this, if these two passwords are not the same, the app will indicate it. But once it's accepted, then that tells you that everything that you have written there in the upper and then the lower side of the password, as in the verifying aspect of it, is all correct. So next, you now move to the next stage, which is to put your own name. So in the name there, then you now put your own name. And please, this place is very, very important. Make sure that the name that you are going to put should rhyme with your with one of your ID card. So the Pi network accept only 4 ID card. The first one is the international passport, that is one. Then number 2, they accept national identity card, that is the NIN. The number 3, they accept driving license. And for those that were not opportune to get their own national identity card, the one that comes with ATM, then you can visit a cafe that have gotten license to print premium card. So they will print the premium card because the Pi network also accepts it. So you just do that simple thing. In case you have it, then make sure that you check the name. Make sure that the name should rhyme. exactly with the one that it is on top of your own ID, because when you come to do your KYC, that is know your customer, if the name did not rhyme, automatically you cannot be able to claim the pie that you have mined, which means that the whole period that you have stay mining will be a waste of time. So please take this place very, very important. So now I'm going to put my name. Now I'm done with the name aspect. You see Adam Ibrahim OV. The next thing that you do is to put your username. Now this username, it is the name that you are going to put, and that name will be your own. You can put just any name, but the system, you see that is around 35 million people, and each and everyone have his own unique username. So the username is the invitation code. Like you see, the person that uh, have sent his own for me, you see that it is OV ETA. Actually, this video that I'm making is just a guide for you to see how the process of the registration is taking place. But meanwhile, that OV ETA is actually my own. So I'm just doing this video as a guide. So here I'm going to put just any name so that it will now serve as guide for you. But meanwhile, it is OV ETA that is my own. So here I'm going to write that OV ETA. Then I will now write 1. If I write OV ETA only and I click submit, it's not going to accept it. Why? Because it will say that someone is using this. Now let me click on submit, then you see. Now, did you see down here, they say this username is already in use. Now, this indicates that someone is having this and that person is actually me, myself, that I'm making this video. So anytime you want to put an invitation code, this is the one that you will put. But the person that have sent his own for you, don't use OVETA, but rather you use his own, please and please. So now what I'm going to do is to click 1 as an addition. So as I click 1, then it means that if someone have actually used the same name, then this place will still show us this username is already in use. So please, you try and keep trying so that maybe someone will just put and then he sees that his own is not accepted, and then maybe he did not take note of this and then conclude that the app did not welcome him, so and as such is going to withdraw. Please, if it did not accept, that is because someone have signed up using that name. So now that I've write 1, then I'm going to click on this submit. But mind you, you should know that this video is just a guide for you to know how to sign up. But meanwhile, this username, this name is not even going to be in use completely. So you should just know that. So now I click on submit. Now let's see if the app is going to accept it. Once it accepts it, then it means that no one have signed up using that OVETA 1. So you see now it accepts. Now it's asking for invitation code. Now for the invitation code, this is where you will now put the name of the person that have sent his own for you, that is his own username. So for that one, I think you have seen that is OVETA, that is my own, and then OVETA 1, that is for this video's guide. So which one am I going to put? When you use OVETA 1, you should know that it will comes under this video's own, and that that account will not even going to be in use completely, because as I've told you earlier, it's just a simple guide. So what you will just do is to click on this place, and I've already clicked, is blinking. Then you now put the invitation code. If it is Adamu, Adamu123. If it is Adamu that sent for you, then you put Adamu123. If it is Stephanus123, then you put Stephanus123. But the one that have sent for me, if his name is like this, then I have to put it like that. So me that I'm making the video, I'm going to put my own username, which is OV and then ETA. Now, when you create it, don't in the invitation code, don't put your own username, but rather the username of the person that have sent his own for you. So you see OVETA. Then you now click on submit. If you are registering at that invitation code, if you do not write it very well, maybe you may end up writing someone's own, and you will now be placed under that person, not the actual person that have sent his own for you. So you see, now we have successfully finished the registration. Next, then there are some little setup that we are going to do. So you now click on this get started. Now look at this get started. Then we click on it. After clicking on it, the next, then you now every day, please, after 24 hours, you now come and be clicking on this place that is blinking like this. So you click on it every day. That is what you are going to be doing after 24 hours. The mining will stop, then you will now continue. And mind you, now that you finish registration, you see that 1 Pi have already been given to you. Watch up, 1 Pi is given to you. Let me check. I changed the color. Look at 1 Pi is given to you, but if you observe the numbers, that 000 up to 5, none is reading. Yes, none of it is reading, and that is because you have not clicked on this place that is blinking. So what you would do now is to click on that place. Once you click, then this up here will now start reading. And the time here, did you see it start reading? Now this time that I'm making the video is 9:36 p.m. So 9:36 p.m. tomorrow at exactly 9:36 p.m. is going to stop. Yes, it's going to stop. Then I will come and click the app again in order for me to click on the place that was initially blinking here in order for the mining to continue. So that is it. Now the reading have already started. Next, then you now start a tour. Then you click on it too. Once you click, then you click on this next. Click on that one too. I click next again. Click, just keep clicking, but make sure that you read to understand. They have now view rules. Then you click. Now that you have already finished clicking everything, then you now click on this arrow so that you return. You click on the arrow so that you return. The arrow has been clicked. Now then the arrow has been clicked, so you now click dismiss. Now look at dismiss here. Then you click. Now it says start verification. Don't secure my account. So what you do is to verify your own account. In this place, you have to put your own Gmail in order for your own account to be verified. The reason for you doing that is so that anytime you uninstall your app or your phone is been missing, God forbid, then you can successfully recover your own account. There are a lot of people that have already mined, they reach 500, some even above, but they forgot to put their password or maybe to verify their own account, and in that aspect they later miss their own account completely. So securing the account through verification of Gmail is also important. So when you click on that place, it's going to be given to you. So you click on this place, then you click verify, then here you now put your own Gmail, and then you click verify. So once you put your own Gmail, then you click on verify. Then it's going to take you to Gmail. So let me do that quickly. Now I put a sample of Gmail that is in this phone. Next, I will click on verify. Then it's going to take a verification message will be sent to your own Gmail. Then you now go to your Gmail and click verify. Now did you see verification email sent? Now it has already. Please check your email box. So you now go to your email box and check. Then you click on verify. Now let's go there. Now you see I've come to my Gmail, but the message is not here. So what you would do is to click on these three dots that is at the left hand side of your Gmail. If yours is at the right hand side, then fine, you just click on that. Then you now scroll down and come to spam folder. Now in the spam folder, you will now see that message. Now did you see it? Next, you now click on that Gmail, then you now come down and click this enter here. It says, hi Adam, click here to verify your email. So once you click this place, it will be verified. Now you wait till it verify it. You patiently wait. It's going to be verified. Now it says email verification is successful. So that one is done. Then once you return to the app, you now see this write-up that you are seeing. This long write-up is going to change to just small one because it has already been verified. So you click, now you see congratulations, your email this has been successfully verified. Then you click on finish. That is all. Now you see your mining, everything has fully been set, and then you now continue your mining. So next thing that you need to do or understand about this is here. You click, once you click on this place, a message in form of the one that was being sent to you, you will see it. So you click on invite, then you click English. Once you click, then you see you can share it to anyone, or you click on copy. You see I'm sending you one Pi. It's a new digital currency developed by Stanford PhD with over so they then you can then click on copy. Now I click on copy. So that is all. Now let me if you go to somewhere to paste it, you will now see that the invitation code will now be OVETA1. Don't forget. Now as I copy, I come to this place. Now look at it, I paste here. Did you see? You see OVETA1, but don't forget that this is a cancel account. I've just done it as a guide for each and everyone that wants to sign up into Pi network. So next, you just go back. Now I've returned back to the app, so you click on this place and see an important something. Now then you come down. When you come down, you see this profile. There is a very important something there. Now you click on that profile. Now observe here, it says correct spelling is needed to claim Pi. You have 13 days and 23 hours, 41 minutes, and then you see the seconds is reading. It keep reducing 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21 continuously. So what this place is saying is that you can change your name. That is if you have submitted a wrong spelling, because I earlier said that your own name should rhyme with the name that is on your own national identity card or international passport or premium card or driver license. They don't accept voters card. They don't accept that one. So the other four that I've mentioned are actually the ones. So you have to make sure that the name should rhyme in order for you to claim your own pie, so that you should not just be wasting your own time. So 13 days only you have. So you now click and then you now check so that you verify if your own name did not rhyme, then you have 13 days to correct it. Because after 13 days, or to say 14 days because of this number, so after 14 days, once you do not claim you do not change the name, and it will now turn automatically to an unedited profile, where it's telling the app community that, or is telling the app team, the Pi team, that this account, everything is okay, everything is correct, and then they will not give you any access to correct any name. And if really there is a change of name and then you do not do it, then it means that you are losing your Pi. So please, once you do that, then that is all. So this account have already successfully been set, and the next thing that you will do is to just be coming back and continue mining. Next, after you see mainnet, next you see mainnet here. There is mainnet, there is Pi browser, there is utilities, there is MinePy, and the rest of it. Now, in case you want any guide, you can check the description box of this video. I will drop a link, a WhatsApp link, where if you just click it, you will now enter the group automatically. Then you will now ask all your questions where you are not clear with, or you can chat me directly on WhatsApp using 0803758440, and if you are a foreigner, then it's plus 234 0803758440. It will be my pleasure to reply you or to guide you. So don't use OVETA1, but rather OVETA, like this. OV, then ETA as your own invitation code. But mind you, I said it earlier that you are to use the person's own that have sent it for you. So if no one have sent it for you, you are watching this through YouTube, then use OVETA as your own invitation code. If you put one, then you will be placed under that account, and that which is this one, and then this one is not really an account, but rather just if you do that, I've created in order to just guide you on how to sign up to your Pi account. So welcome on board, guys, and please, as I earlier said, subscribe to the channel so that you will now be getting notification on any video that I've upload online about cryptocurrencies and not the shit coins. So thank you very much, and bye for now.